So we've got it open over here, and we'll create a document, and we'll call this exercise extrude. Create a multi-feature part. Understand how to create sketches. Wait, where's that? It said drawing tools would be up. Where's the drawing tools? Huh. Well, learning this new search tools. No, that's in that. I don't care. Extrude feature. Use the extrude feature. Okay. Anyway, start a sketch. Pick the right one, right, or the top one. No, it's the top one. Begin to say on the top plane. Click the top plane. There's the sketch. Yeah, 2 windows. Next slide. Sketch a corner rectangle. Make the endpoint coincident to the origin as shown. Coincident to the origin. So again, we want to hit N, N, and P. N makes it so it's normal, or we're facing the view that we're drawing on, and P makes the thing go away. And we can see that we're looking at the top view there. Okay, rectangle, corner rectangle, making the endpoint coincident. Now, I guess you can make it coincident by just clicking on it first, but I'm going to practice using the coincident constraint by clicking there and making it coincident that way. One of the reasons that I do that is by not making it so that it auto creates that constraint. I know that it's not auto creating other constraints, which sometimes happen. You have to be careful of that. Midpoint. Sketch a line whose endpoints share a midpoint of each side of the rectangle shown. Okay, so I guess in this one, we'll try just selecting midpoint and midpoint. Right click, escape line. Add the shown dimensions and accept the sketch. Okay. That wasn't very much. So that's a 5. Numlock 5, thank you. And 3. Okay. And accept the sketch. Select the extrude feature and choose the sketch profile as the sketch region to extrude. Okay. Extrude this. Pick blind as the end type, blind, and endpoint 1.25 inches is depth. All right, automatically is 1. There's 1.25. Be sure the extrusion is up from the sketch plane. Click the flip direction icon if needed. So you can't see it here. See how they have that? So I can go over here and click this corner. That's not exactly the corner I want. What about this corner? Ah, that's the right view. So it is going up. And then we'll accept that extrusion. We did this. Select the back face of the part to begin a second sketch. Sketch on the back face of the part, but face this way before you hit N, so that way you get the shadiness you're supposed to get. And make the lines as it shows. Make sure you make this horizontal line. Make construction lines. Make a circle. Make sure these are there. Click Show Constraints in the dialog box so you can see that they're the same. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's that, except that's there. That goes with that. We got two of them there. We got that for horizontal, vertical, perpendicular, perpendicular. Okay. Add the dimensions. 1.25. Oh, nope. Undo that. 30 degrees. Point to point. 2.5. And point to point 4. See how these are black? It means they're fully constrained. Theirs is black here, which means it's fully constrained, but mine is blue, and I wonder why. Add the show to... What other constraints do I not have? Is that at the midpoint? Midpoint. That midpoint. Now it's overdefined. Sketch should not be solved, so get rid of that. I'm not worried about it right now. Don't worry about it if that part's blue. I don't know what constraint is not there, but I am not. I will have to look for it later. I am not worried about it. Okay, accept the sketch. Click that corner to extrude. Flip it the other way. Good. 1 inch. Be sure the add option is chosen. And the part is selected on the merge scope. Add phases, solid, depth, extrude. Okay, that looks good. Select the part from the parts list and use the mass properties icon to check the volume. Okay, so there's the part. And display mass properties. The volume is 26.981. That's correct. Yay.